Here we have a 74 plate Lamborghini URUS Performante. Now this vehicle has a huge list of factory extras, all of which will be listed in the advert description. We actually have over £48,000 worth of extras. We'll also mention some of them in this video. So starting off, we have the 23-inch alloy wheels. You find it's finished in shiny black. We have the carbon ceramic brakes behind with the green calipers. Really nice accent colour, perfectly matching with the Grigio Hati paintwork. We do have the LED headlights, got plenty of carbon as well throughout the exterior of this vehicle. Coming around to the front, you find that nice aggressive look. We also have the exposed PPF carbon bonnet and also same for the roof. Making our way around to the passenger side, I'll show you the second alloy wheel down here. We also have some carbon, as you can see here, on the arches as well. The gloss black door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well. Taking a look at the roof then, you'll find the panoramic glass sunroof. It's currently open, can also get put onto a tilt. We do also have the carbon roof as well. Shocks and antennae round to the back. Carbon continues on the spoilers, as you can see just here. Come back down to the third alloy wheel. The vehicle is also fitted with front and rear sensors. We do have the 360-degree cameras as well. Making our way around to the back, we have the quad-tip Arcropockfitch exhaust system. Really does sound incredible. We do have the carbon as well on the rear diffuser. Really aggressive looking. Take a close look so you can see just there. Power operated tailgate as well. You can press the button underneath here. It opens up just like so. We have plenty of space inside of there. We've got the rubber floor as well. Now it's Alcantara just here with the green stitching for the parcel shelf, and also a button to close the boot again. Making our way back round to the driver's side. And then I will show you as well the final alloy wheel down here before heading on to the interior. So inside of the back, you'll find got the seats, the URUS logo embroidered just there. Green stitching as well continues. Foldable armrest in the centre. Let's try and show you best I can. Got the fixed ISO points as well back here. Climate control in the centre with the vents for the rear passengers. Both the outer seats at the rear can also be heated, along with the front seats, which are also heated. Carbon fibre does continue as well on the interior of the vehicle. Got the electric windows, red door handles, premium Bang & Olufsen 3D audio. Take a look inside of the front. There's a look at the roof as well from inside. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable. They can also be heated or air conditioned. Electric controls are just there, and we do also have the massage function on the front seats. Automatic lights down here. Take a seat inside. You'll find the multifunctional steering wheel. Got the dashboard as well in front of us. We do have the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter on this stalk here. Paddle shifters, of course, either side of the steering wheel. Automatic wipers on that stalk there. Down here you'll find the buttons for the memory functions for both the front seats. Carbon continuing through here. Main entertainment screens in the centre. You would have seen all the different features on here on the photos, but if you just turn the ignition on, just like so, screens turn on. So we've got the climate control down here with the air conditioned and also heated seats for both driver and passenger, with the aircon as well. Then on the screen we've got all the other features, which, like I said before, you would have seen all on the photos. We can scroll through the different options just like so. We do have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got the likes of SatNav as well. Plenty of different features on here. We then have the traction control here. We've got carbon again continuing. Of course, automatic gearbox with the drive modes as well. Cup holders down here. We have the electric handbrake, auto hold button, driver assist. Over here we have the armrest. Open that up and you'll find it's currently holding the key, but also has wireless phone charging. Now that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or read the advert in the description. Thank you for watching.